Senate President King's Counsel Tavares-Finson says it would be extremely reckless for Jamaica to adopt the Caribbean Court of Justice, CCJ, as its final appeal court given the turmoil facing the regional court. He says a public inquiry is needed, particularly over allegations that judicial panels may have been convened to produce predetermined outcomes. Mr. Tavares-Finson is also challenging the PNP to say whether it still insists that Jamaica's move to a republic must be tied to adopting the CCJ.
The question is, are the PNP still holding to that position? If that is the case, they need to tell the country, they need to tell the people of Jamaica that they continue to say that Jamaica needs to join this court, the Caribbean Court of Justice, in its appellate jurisdiction, notwithstanding all the matters that remain unresolved. And in fact, in my opinion, a number of matters that have no resolution. That is the question. Or can we move forward to make Jamaica a republic?